The Gardening Year. Written by Becky Dickinson. Changing gardens. Gardens are amazing places. Each season brings new surprises. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. In spring, shoots appear. The shoots become plants. They produce flowers in summer and seeds in autumn. These seeds grow into new plants, and the cycle starts again. Spring. In springtime, the days become longer and warmer. It's the perfect time to sow seeds because sunlight warms the soil and gives plants the energy they need. Without light, plants couldn't grow. Top tip: use a rake to make the soil level. Don't forget to label your seeds. Write on a recycled lolly stick. Wakey, wakey. Seeds are dormant until they are given water, warmth, and air. Then they wake up. Seeds contain enough food for a tiny new plant to germinate. Summer. Gardens are wonderful in summer. Flowers bloom in many colours and sizes. A flower's job is to attract bees. As bees buzz from flower to flower, they spread pollen. This is called pollination and is how new seeds are made. Sunflowers, sweet peas, marigolds. Juicy fruits ripen under the warm sun. Fruits contain seeds that will grow into new plants. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries. Thirsty work. Like us, plants need water to survive. Top tip: water butts collect rainwater that can be recycled during dry months. Weeds are a gardener's worst enemy. They steal water and food from other plants. Ladybirds are a gardener's friend because they eat plant pests. Top tip: wear gardening gloves and use a hoe to remove weeds. Autumn. As the days become cooler, leaves change colour and fall from the trees. When flowers die, seeds form. Seeds in a pod. harvest. Many fruits and vegetables can be picked in autumn. Did you know there are more than 7,000 types of apple? Winter. In winter, deciduous trees, like the oak tree, are bare. But evergreen plants, like holly, are always bright. Oak tree, holly. Winter vegetables provide food during the colder months. Leeks, parsnips, Brussels sprouts. Brrr! Even when it's chilly, there's work to do. Collecting leaves keeps the garden tidy. Dead plants go on the compost heap. The garden is sleeping now, but it will wake up soon. New Year. When winter is over, new shoots will grow. Every spring, the gardening year starts again.